Hi guys, we are going to go over lesson 1-4 today, addition fact patterns. So what you see in front of you is an addition facts table for the add-ins 0 through 5. And then we have another additions fact table 0 for the add-ins 0 through 10. So these tables show you a pattern. I want you to look first at the 0 to 5 add-ins table. I want you to see if you can find a pattern anywhere in the table. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to see if you can find a pattern. All right. So my first pattern that I see are all of our doubles facts that we went over, right? So we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then 5 plus 5 equals 10. You can also see near doubles facts on this, right? So if I did 1 plus 2, so you start here, 1 plus 2 equals 3. That's a near doubles fact. Or even 1 plus 3 equals 4. We can find another near doubles fact because we have 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's go to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6, and so on. So these are all near doubles facts for 3 because 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 3 plus 5 equals 8. Those are near doubles facts also. So this is our addition facts table for 0 through 5. There's plenty of patterns in it, and it helps you out with your addition facts. So if you're like, oh, I don't remember what 3 plus 4 is, you can go to your 3, start down here, go to your 3, and then you go to your 4 up here. So you used to go right here, and you meet in the middle where they meet, what box they meet at. Oh, you're right, 3 plus 4 equals 7. So this is how you can use this table to help you add numbers. So I'm going to erase all of this, and we are going to look at our addition facts table for 0 through 10. So there's way more numbers on here, right? Because we added 10, or 5 technically. So same with the 5 add-ins table. It's the same thing, it just adds more. So we can even find our doubles facts with this. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And then 10 plus 10 equals 20. So those are our doubles facts. That was a pattern that I found with this one too. So these tables will help you out with addition facts. Even though we should keep on working on our fact fluency so that we know numbers right away, these tables will help you out also. So let's go ahead and see if we can find some patterns. So we are going to start with, what are all of the ways to make a sum of 5? Let's make a sum of 5. So let's go to our 0 through 5 table. What are all the ways to make a sum of 5? So any number out here that's a 5, let's circle it. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and this way. So these are all the ways that you can make a sum of 5. And I'm going to write them down for you. Here we go. All right, what are all the ways? Okay, so we're going to start up here. We have 0 plus 5 equals 5. So I'm going to write that down. 0 plus 5 equals 5. All right, let's go to our next one. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Go to our next one. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Next one, 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And then last but not least, 5 plus 0 equals 5. So I want you to see if you can find a pattern. What do you notice? What do you notice about these numbers? The numbers on the left are going up. So you start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the add-ins on the right are going down or decreasing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And all of your sums are 5. So your add-ins on the left side are increasing or going up by 1, and your add-ins on the right side are decreasing or going down by 1. Let's go ahead and try another one. We are going to try to find what are all the ways to make a sum of 17. So let's go ahead and I'm going to move this one up actually. Move this one down so we can see them. All right, so let's go look for our number 17 in our table. So let's look for the number 17. There's one right here. There's one right here. There's one right here. And there's one right here. So let's go ahead and write down the equations that have a sum of 17. So let's start with our first one here. 7 plus 10 equals 17. Our next one. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 9 plus 8 equals 17. And last one, 10. Let's make that a little bigger. 10 plus 7 equals 17. So what do you notice? What do you notice about our pattern? They all equal 17, right? Our sum is always 17. But let's look at the left side add-ins. Our left side add-ins are going up by 1. So 7, 8, 9, and 10. They're all going up by 1. They are increasing by 1. And our add-ins on the right are all going down or decreasing by 1. We have 10, 9, 8, 7. So knowing these patterns will help you find or know your facts quicker. So if you know these patterns, then you can remember that 9 plus 8 equals 17 and 8 plus 9 equals 17. Remember in our first lesson, if you change around the add-ins, the sum will always be the same. So 8 plus 9 equals 17, but if you change those add-ins around, 9 plus 8 will also equal 17. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more of these with you guys. We're going to try to find the sum of 8. What makes a sum of 8? So we are going to look for all of our 8s in here. So I'm going to go ahead and circle them for you guys. I'm just going to go like that. That's way easier. Okay, all of those sums of 8. All right, so we are going to go ahead and start writing down our equations. So our first equation with the sum of 8 is 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 8 equals 8. Next one, 1 plus 7 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Next one, 2 plus 6 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Our next one, 3 plus 5 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Our next one, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Our next one is 5 plus 3 equals 8. The next one is 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Our next one, I need to make it a little bigger. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And last but not least, 8 plus 0 equals 8. All right, let's look at our pattern here. What is our pattern? So we start at 0 and we get all the way down to 8 on our add-ins on the left side. And on our right add-in, or our right side, those add-ins go down. So on our left side, the add-ins increase or go up by 1, add 1. And on the left side, our add-ins decrease or they go down by 1. And all of our sums are the same. They're all 8. So those are the patterns that you can notice. These will help you out if you start with 0 plus 8. Then you know the next number on the left side is going to be 1 because you're adding 1. And your number on the right side is going to be 7 because you're decreasing 1 or getting rid of 1. So you can go ahead and make these patterns with any number. And this will help with your fact fluency that helps you get the facts quicker. So these are called add-in tables, addition add-in tables, and these will help you with all of your facts. Thank you guys. I'll see you later.